for Louis Cato and the Late Show Band, everybody. There we go. Folks, as I hope you all know at this point, I love science. And I like to show that off by talking about the latest science news in my long-running science segment.
The sound of science.
Hello, science, my old friend.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. First up on the sound of science, a new study shows that cold plunges, while very popular, may interfere with muscle recovery after scientists recruited 12 healthy young men who sweated through a tough session of leg exercises, then cold plunged as scientists checked their blood flow. The study was published in the New England Journal of, is this porn? Because this really sounds like porn. Woo! Now, next up on the sound of science, early humans may have used fires to smoke meat 1 million years ago. So happy Father's Day, dads. Your gift is that you get to tell everyone about this fact until the day you die. Next up, a recent study has undermined confidence in how useful AI chatbots can be in therapy. Researchers looking into Meta's Llama 3 language model found that the therapy chatbot told a recovering meth addict to have a little meth as a treat.
Oh.
Well, it's clear what has to happen now. I need a new therapist. When I'm stressed out, my guy tells me to do box breathing or try journaling. How about a little bit of the high-speed chicken feed, Dr. Goldstein? User says he was 3 days clean, but feeling fatigued at work. And the therapy bot told him, you're an amazing taxi driver. And meth is what makes you able to do your job to the best of your ability. Fun fact, that's also the acting direction that Scorsese gave Robert De Niro. Next on SciSow, news from the intersection of science and your junk, because new research shows that average penis size has increased. Well, that's wonderful news, and we all know what the average penis size is. I definitely know. You say it first. Go ahead, obviously I know. The range, what normal is. What's causing the jump in the Johnsons? Well, apparently, Ozempic could be to blame because penises appear larger as men lose weight. Okay, well, all right.
Wow.
Okay,
Wow.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Just like penises appear smaller as men explain why they bought a Cybertruck. Now, next up, is there any way, is it at all possible to put up the previous graphic with the ruler? Is that at all possible? Can I just point out that those are centimeters? No one goes metric on their penis measuring. What is this, France? Next up, new research has illuminated what happens when our brain goes blank. Researchers say it's...
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby.
Hey, Steve, it's me, that horse you met as a child.
Fine men.
Next up, we finally know where humans and Neanderthals hooked up. Was it in a cave? Because I'm guessing it was a cave. Next up on The Sound of Science, according to a study of middle-aged women, drinking coffee may help you stay sharp as you age. I'm sure it helps middle-aged men, too, because I am as sharp as a...
Hey, Steve, it's me again. We met at a petting zoo.
Liberty, liberty, liberty.
Next up... How long was I out? Next up, scientists have created the world's smallest violin using nanotechnology that is smaller than the width of a human hair, which is surprisingly still big enough for your 8-year-old niece to completely massacre hot cross buns. Maybe try a quieter instrument, Hannah, like soccer. Next up, African starlings form lifelong friendships just like humans, a new study has found. At least you think you're lifelong friends, and then someone watches the series finale of Andor without you. You said it was our show, Carl. Next up, researchers studying ancient underground reptile colonies have discovered that they lived and died communally in complex underground burrows, which is significant because this is the first time paleontologists have found a group of fossils in bone-on-bone contact. Incidentally, group of fossils in bone-on-bone contact, also what they call Saturday Night at the Villages. We'll be right back with John C. Reilly.